Welcome in, folks. This is probably the biggest question I get, especially when I talk to some older folks. This has long been a discussion. Is this a rug pull? If you don't know what that is, I mean, someone hypes up a stock, buys into it while it's low, hypes it up, gets everyone interested, sells, leaves, takes the money and run. A lot of people are speculating that the post from DFV uh, could be a rug pull, get you hyped up to buy it. I don't personally believe it. And he's also doubled down today, releasing his current position that has not changed. Still sitting at 5 million shares, still 120,000 call options for that June 20th $20 strike. He's gone up $78.6 million in value today. Now, don't get it mistaken. This is an individual game. All right, we all like to think of it as a team sport somehow, that some way he's not allowed to sell or something like that, or that him being in it or selling it truly matters regardless. Look, GameStop's fundamentals are there. We're talking about a company that's basically got no debt. The only debt left is a small COVID loan from the French government. They have a couple $1 billion on hand in cash. They're probably profitable. We'll find out in the next week or so, on this earning reports, if they hit profits. And I think they probably did. Let's be honest. So do I think this is a rug pull? No. But what we do need to talk about is the rug pull of what happened to bring up this conversation. The E-Trade has stated that they're thinking about dropping Roaring Kitty based on this. And you see news articles drop simultaneously. Multiple, Rolling Stone, Bloomington, everybody that creates a financial report or, news site besides these, small streamers like us state that the rug has been pulled. What's a possibility of it being pulled? And then we see that it's not happened, right? They want to belittle this stock. They keep calling it meme stocks. But let's be honest, this is a stock that has turned a guy from having $50,000 position into a couple $100 million position. This might turn a guy from a $50,000 guy to a billionaire. I've never lost money on GameStop. I've never lost money on AMC. A little hand-me-down, possibly related thing. We see a lot of FUD, a lot of fear being stricken. But what I want to know is how these articles drop simultaneously, and then the stock price instantly drops 6%. In an instant, in the same minute. You telling me everybody read these news articles? They take more than a minute to read. So we're just dropping it based off the headlines? And look, let's even be more comical. That drop has already been ate back up. That $78 million is up another 4% in the after hours. Do I think it's a rug pull? No. Do I think that anybody telling you to buy or sell a stock is someone you should probably listen to? Probably not. Look, if you're out here getting financial advice off of forums, you're kind of wild. But to try to slander a man, trying to slander a position is nonsense. Look, we call it capitalism for years when it's short sellers bringing a business down to the knees and bankrupt. But we don't call it capitalism when these hedge funds and these short sellers get their pockets took. That's what's happening here. We're going to start seeing credit defaults. Could be what we've seen with the Berkshire Hathaway thing. What happened with Chipotle? What happened with the gold company? Look, I don't know what happened, but what we do know is It could have been a margin call. Someone could have got called with their pants down that they got took so bad that every available share got sold at whatever value they could get because they owed that many millions of dollars. Look, what we do know is another $1.2 million premium got bought for June 7th, $43 calls. $43 calls. That's what, another 33% gain, another 50% gain for profit after you talk about the cost to buy these $43 calls. Look, you're going to see some runners. This isn't financial advice, but remember, this has been split. So whatever price is needs to be multiplied by 4. So to hit $100 is kind of light. Look, we're looking for thousands, buddy. That's all I'm saying. That's where I'm at. And I'm just a smooth brain with a small position. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll put out more videos soon.